born and growing here. We're famous around the world via the name Huangshi. Keeping forward for more than 20 years, Sunny has thrown itself into metal strip manufacturing and always tries to be the advocate, participant, and pusher. Forging ahead for more than 20 years, Sunny knows more about metal strip manufacturing and witnesses the new future chapter of China's industrial development. The high-performance-oriented silicon steel is the development direction of China's electrical steel industry in the future, and it can also meet the urgent need for the upgrading of transformer energy efficiency in China. After Sunny conducted exchange and communication with the technical team of Wangbian Electric for dozens of times, the high-performance-oriented silicon steel project of Phase 2 has been formally initiated to lay an important foundation for the secondary takeoff of Wangbian Electric. Chongqing Wangbian project includes a CA, decarburizing annealing line, and CT, tensile annealing line. The design capacity of CA line is 75,000 tons per year. It can conduct steel strip surface degreasing for the oriented silicon steel, CGO, after rolling, carry out decarburizing annealing under protective atmosphere, and reduce the carbon content in strip steel to the prescribed scope. The raw material type is the oriented primary cold rolling coil after cold rolling, and the specification is 0.625 mm by 800 to 1100 mm. The design process speed of the line is max 45 meters per minute. According to the line functions and strip steel processing order, the line comprises entrance section, middle technology section, and outlet section. The entrance section mainly includes uncoiling, shearing, seaming, and looping functions to provide strips for the technology section continuously. The technology section mainly covers degreasing section and decarburizing annealing reduction section to complete fabrication processing for the strip steel. The outlet section will complete bundling and reeling for strips. The design capacity of CT line is 55,000 tons per year. It can remove the surface residual MgO on strip caused by the previous processes, conduct mild acid pickling, insulating layer coating, drying and sintering to glaze the strip with a glass film, and carry out hot leveling for the strip steel under protective atmosphere. The raw material type is the oriented silicon steel coil, experiencing secondary recrystallization annealing in the high-temperature batch annealing furnace, BAF, and the specification is 0.19 mm to 0.33 mm by 800 to 1100 mm. The design process speed of the line is max 65 meters per minute. According to the unit functions and strip steel processing order, the unit comprises entry section, middle processing section, and exit section. The entry section mainly includes uncoiling, shearing, sewing machine, scrubbing, and hot air drying functions to provide strips for the processing section continuously. The processing section mainly covers acid pickling and scrubbing process, insulating layer coating, coating sintering, tensile thermal flattening, and cooling functions to complete fabrication processing for the strip steel. The exit section will complete coil separating and recoiling. Sunny Company has utilized its overall design experience for nearly 100 lines, especially the experience in the aspect of silicon steel. According to the general requirements of workshop layout, Sunny tried to make the two lines reasonable, applicable, and convenient in logistics, auxiliary medium supply and discharge, production and operation. We have witnessed the history together and will create the future. Sunny will adhere to the feeling of China's metal strip manufacturing and write the next era as metal strip manufacturer.